How to delete my Instagram account in another phone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can delete your Instagram account from another phone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically delete your Instagram account from another phone, let's say that you are also logged in on some other devices and then you would like to remove your account from there. It's very simple. Go ahead and then just make sure to launch the Instagram application here, and once you launch the Instagram app, make sure to tap the profile icon from the bottom right to come to the profile page. Then just tap the three lines option located at the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the three lines option from the top right, from here on you will be able to see various sorts of options, where what you need to do is basically go to the option called account center from the very top. And once you go to the option known as account center, from here on what you want to do is simply go to password and security. Now one way you can delete everyone from your account is by simply changing your password. When you change your password, everyone who is logged into your account will get automatically logged out on other devices. Otherwise, you can also tap on the where you are logged in option and then review the devices manually. First of all, make sure to select the Instagram, and here you will see a list of devices where you are logged in basically, and then you can just go ahead and then select a certain device that you are not interested in, and then you can just select that and then just choose to log out of those particular devices. This way you'll be able to delete your Instagram account from another phone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.